Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie the Canadian jam knot, which is also known as the arbor knot, when it's used to tie a fishing line to a fishing reel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to tie the Canadian jam knot and how to use it to tie a bedroll. In fact, this video is part 1 of 2, and if you want to see how to tie a bedroll like an expert, you can find the next video in the description and also at the end of this video. Now let's have a look at how to tie the Canadian jam knot. There's 2 parts of the Canadian jam knot, and one of those parts is tying a stopper knot. Some people recommend tying the stopper knot first, so that's what we're going to do. You can use a simple overhand knot as the stopper. The main thing is that you have a stopper knot that will prevent the end slipping back, but it'll also have a second function of being a sort of toggle or grip to loosen the knot when finished. For that reason, I like a slightly more bulky stopper. One alternative is to use the figure 8 stopper knot shown here. Another option is to use a barrel knot or a heaving line knot. I'm going to use a heaving line knot. There are a lot of different stopper knots to choose from. If you'd like to see more, I recommend my video, The 9 Best Single Strand Paracord Stopper Knots. Link in the description. With the stopper knot tied, the next step is to tie another overhand knot as shown here. From there, pass your tail end, that is, the other end of your working line, through the overhand knot so that the tail is running in the same direction as with the stopper. The most important part of tying an effective Canadian jam knot is to make sure the stopper knot and the tail end are running in the same direction through the overhand knot, because when the overhand knot is tightened, the stopper knot will snug down against the overhand and create a binding action. It's easy to test your Canadian jam knot when it's finished. You can test it by pulling against the cord. It should tighten against the load. In this case, the load is the bedroll. The knot will stay cinched until you pull it loose by pulling on the stopper knot. As you can see, the Canadian jam knot is simple, easily learned, and it's effective. Now, if you'd like to see how to use the Canadian jam knot to create a great bedroll system, check out the next video, Expert Knots to Tie a Sleeping Bag, Bedroll, or Tarp. I'll see you there, and thanks for watching.